Lesson 2-4, Equations with no solution or infinitely many solutions. Equations can have no solution, one solution, or infinitely many solutions. You are accustomed to having an equation that you solve and you get an example of x equals some number. That would have one solution. X equals exactly one answer. But you could also have a solution in which you get a number equal a number, and either it's false, which would be no solution, or it's true, which is infinitely many solutions. For our examples, we're going to classify each equation as one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. If one solution, then we're going to solve the problem and write the solution such as x equals 5. Part A, 33x plus 99 equals 33 times the group x minus 3. So we'll start by bringing down the left side. There's no simplifying that we can do on the left side. But on the right side, we can use distributive property. 33 times x is 33x. 33 times negative 3 is negative 99. Now we have a variable on both sides. So we box those in, and we want to get rid of one of them. I'm going to get rid of this 33x by subtracting 33x. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. And it happens that since both sides have a term positive 33x, that when we subtract 33x from both sides, they both cancel out. And we end up with positive 99 equal negative 99. So we have a number equal a number. It's false, so there's no solution. Equation B, we have 4 times the group 4x plus 3 equal 19x plus 9 minus 3x plus 3. We'll start by simplifying the left side by doing distributive property. 4 times 4x is 16x, and 4 times positive 3 is positive 12. On the right side, we have some like terms. Positive 19x and negative 3x are like terms, so 19x minus 3x is 16x. And then we have a positive 9 plus 3. They're both just constants. 9 plus 3 is 12. And so at this point, we've simplified all we can, and we have 16x plus 12 equals 16x plus 12. You might notice right here at this point that we've got the left side and the right side are exactly the same. At that point, we can tell that this will be infinitely many solutions. But let's go ahead and work it out like we normally would by boxing in our x terms where we have a variable on both sides. We'll subtract 16x from both sides because what we do to one side, we must do to the other. And it cancels out on both sides. We get 12 equal positive 12. This is true. A number equal a number, it's true. So we get infinitely many solutions. Equation C, we have 6 times the group x plus 2 equal 5 times the group x plus 7. So we'll start by simplifying using the distributive property. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 2 is positive 12. On the right side, 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 7 is positive 35. So now we have a term that includes a variable on both sides of the equation, so I'm going to get rid of one of them. I'm going to get rid of this positive 5x. Notice that these terms were not the same, so when I subtract 5x from the right side, they cancel out. But on the left side, I still have an x term. 6x minus 5x is just 1x. And I bring everything else down. At this point, we know that we have got x equal an answer ultimately in this problem. That will tell us that this is one solution. But we could keep on solving and see that we get to x by itself. We're trying to get x by itself, so we'll subtract 12 to get rid of that plus 12. We get x equal 23. So we have our solution, and we've got x equal a number, so this is one solution.